Morning, y'all. This is the beach day. Heading to Clearwater Beach. Say what's up to the boys.
The boys.
I already know we got Gavin and Adam in here. We got Caleb holding the camera.
The boys.
It's gonna be a sick day at the beach.
Oh,
hopefully,
yeah.
Hopefully all rocking with the haircut. Feeling good about it, man.
Joey the barber, Javante with the lineup.
Yeah, man. So, I mean, hey, it's a good day. I'm excited. So let's get it. How you feel, Adam?
Feeling good, man.
Feeling?
We got that car.
Nice little hour-and-a-half drive. What's up, boys? How'd the ride go? How'd it go?
Going really well. I'd say one of the best yet.
One of the best yet?
You kept in a great pace, Josh.
Oh yeah, dude, you were bobbing and weaving in there.
Thank you.
There was one moment. The only moment that was sus was when there was a car going slow, and you just swerved to the other lane, and I almost rear-ended them.
Yeah. You gotta cut up.
Gotta cut up.
Yeah. You gotta learn. You gotta learn how it is to drive in Florida. You know.
That's facts. You've already turned into a Florida driver.
Yep. Or they'll turn you, man. They'll turn you.
What are you feeling like, Joey? You ready for the beach?
Let's go.
This is the only reason Joey came. Did community day start? When does it start?
Still got another hour and a half.
2 to 5? 2. All right, bet. All right, Joey. You made it to the beach, man. How you feel?
Tired.
Tired? Here, you got a little more stuff here on your shoulder. Let me rub it in for you. There you go. He is already getting burnt. Wow. This is just crazy. Here, can you point at me real quick? We're at the beach. What's up, Javante? We're already all burning out here. I mean, this is crazy. This is crazy. I'm trying to be like him. By the end of the trip,
If you get this story,
there's a
that'd be
problem.
wild.
You might have skin cancer.
Yeah.
Anyways, gonna put the GoPro on for the water. We're gonna see how it goes. How you feeling, boys?
Feeling swole out here.
Swole. How you feeling, Ari?
I'm ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
Too hot out here, man.
It is really hot out here.
What's up, boys? Baldy. Who you calling Baldy?
What's going on, Baldy?
This is crazy.
Hey,
Recording your every moment.
Where's Adam?
Adam said he has to change into his swim trunks, dude.
Man said he's scared.
He better not be scared of the ocean. We'll drag him in here. This the farthest you go, Caleb?
You can go farther.
Javante, you good?
Farther, brother.
We'll hold you, Javante. We'll hold you.
Sharks out there.
Please, carry me, boys.
Oh yeah, you weigh like nothing in this.
Oh gosh, getting me wet. Oh, dude, this is the water test, bro. Should I go under?
I don't know.
Nah. Oh, frick.
Get a little splash water.
Well, if it's on the lens, make sure you wipe it off.
Oh yeah, it's good. It's good.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, bang him. You go with it.
Oh gosh.
There you go. Oh yeah.
Hey, ready? Is it right here?
Nope. There. Whoa.
Javante's just going. This guy's crazy.
Drowning, dude. I think he's
Javante, you need help? You need help?
You good? You good? Oh,
He's down.
dude, he died.
Somebody just mouth to mouth, Gavin, mouth to mouth.
Just punch him in the chest. We don't get him back up.
Suddenly he's awake.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're out here in Clearwater. What y'all think, man? This the life?
This
Or
the
not
life. This the life.
This guy's got the Ray-Bans on.
Got the Ray-Bans.
I got the knockoff Oakleys.
Nah, they're real. What do you mean?
Yeah, they're real.
Those are real.
Oh, they're totally real.
Those were not 20 at
Try-
Walmart.
Try on these. Try on this thing.
He's got the fishing cap on.
Protect your head. Now
This
try
guy's
these
like
on.
freaking
Try these
loser,
on
dude.
for size.
Gosh.
Try these on for size, brother.
Ready?
Oh
Hold
my
on.
gosh.
Hold on.
Stunner.
Hold on.
Stunner. Look at that.
Let's go fishing.
Absolute stunner.
Hey, what'd he say? Let's go fishing.
Let's get coffee in the morning.
Ah.
Let's go golfing.
Waves, but
Yeah, a little underwhelming.
It's so much brighter without glasses.
I know.
Dude, the glasses are great. The
Nice.
glasses are great.
I'm enjoying life.
Dude, you look funny, dude. You look funky.
A lot of seaweed around here.
Keep the hat, but I'm taking the glasses back.
Oh man,
Dang.
too bright out here.
Up here, Caleb.
Oh, that's gross.
Javante.
Sorry. I tried getting it. Oh, nope. We're out for the season, boys.
Out for the season.
Out for the season. I think I poured the dominoes.
Here you go, chair. Dang, I wish we brought the smaller one.
Yeah, I know. I hate that one. Blaine's got the smaller one.
Dang.
Could have cut that way farther.
Oos.
I mean, that's the mark.
Oos. Dang.
Yeah, this is the mark. Okay.
Oos.
Look at that connection.
Oos.
Oh, that's scary.
Oh my.
Scary Terry.
That's Howard and Terry right there. It's gonna be 2 of the reef.
Yeah. Hey, you want
Aw. Aw.
That's 2 of my week 3. This is 2 of week 3.
That's
Hey, who am I to talk? My quarterback's just as much time.
Ready? The no look, the no look. Got him.
That's true, yeah.
My QB's out recording a freaking mixtape.
Yeah, your quarterback's a little cooler.
Really?
Yeah.
A little cooler than Tua. What a connection. Wow.
Alright.
Josh,
you got it. Come on.
He's insecure about him.
Ooh.
In the ocean real quick?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm down. Going that way? This way? Okay. Go.
Oh,
Wow. All right, throw it back, throw it back. Hey, now Caleb and Gavin, Caleb and Gavin. Hey, give me it to me. Oh, you got it, you got it?
Go.
Oh! Dang! He smoked him, dude. Oh, me and Javante? All right, all right, all right. This way?
Me or Josh? Come on, Josh, get open, Josh. Come on, Josh.
Got it! Hey, good game, good game.
Bro, Josh used his weight on that play.
Oh, I did.
He used his weight. He knew I can't swim.
I thought we were both 160. I thought we were both 160.
Throw it up, throw it up, throw it up. Throw it up. Oh!
Ah!
Me and Eli Apple are basically the same person.
Woo.
Josh did get one. Personally, I would never think that was okay.
Hey, bro, I'm just trying to make sure I didn't get stolen.
yeah, dude, I got
Hey, that's valid. You got your priorities straight.
too much right now.
Hey, am I giving the windshield wiper, Rick? Oh, wait, where is it?
You went under yet, Josh?
No, I haven't. Should I? Oh! Wow, Gavin, I can't believe it.
I'm just not letting
Like the
that
best wide receiver in the league.
I mean, it's that easy. It's the water, dude.
Best wide receiver in the
I got the water
Hey, cut him
grippers.
up again, cut him up again.
Cut him up again?
I've got the water.
Okay, line up with me right here.
All right, all
Take
right.
the ball. I'm giving Javante time to catch up.
Lock it down, lock it down.
You sure?
Just in
Good.
one. Everywhere else.
Oh, which way is he going? Which way is he going? Oh, oh! Oh, come on, Caleb. Where was he in the equation?
That was a safety.
That's messed up, man. That's messed
That's
up.
mess
I
up.
have to double cover you, Josh. You're too good.
I broke my toe.
He broke his toe, ladies and gentlemen. He broke his toe.
Wait, dude, I bet that POV of your catch was crazy, guys.
Probably.
You lost Javante. I bet that was
Dude, it probably was. I'm glad it's on
You
camera.
did it on video.
Hey, all right, let's see what it looks like when I go under. Still recording?
Hopefully it's good.
Still recording?
Still recording?
Dude, let's go. Oh. Charity's got a cannon in the water. Her arms are submerged. Wait. Oh, that's not Joey. Never mind. I thought it was Joey.
Looks like if Joey went on a boat.
Joey got a little older. Send me on a route. Oh, Adam's going down. Adam's going down.
Oh, Josh, that's all you.
Dang! Sand, dude. Another one, Mr. J, another one! Dang! Woo! Oh! It's the life, Joey. Nothing.
Now we make it. So you had it. I had it right there, so you could put it right there.
Now we're in. Now we're in.
Oh, carry the fucking sinker.
Dang, close, Joey, close. Dang, you almost took a kid out.
Got a whole lot of stuff.
I know. Miss Patty, how you feel out here? You a little hot?
Alright, we got coffee boy.
Hey, Cher, hold it while I go on a little route.
My hands are a little sandy.
That's fine.
Jay. Hey, Cat. You got the coverage. You got the coverage. Very good. Very good. I mean, Joey just can't catch. It's crazy.
How you feel, Charity? A little hot?
I'm freaking hot, man.
Dude, I'm dying out here.
You gotta go in.
There's Adam, dude. He's a beast. You like the sunglasses, though?
Yeah.
He looks good in the sunnies.
No, it's you. No, it's you. It's you. Get it.
Let's go in the water, man. Oh. Oh. Oh.
You're like,
I don't know what they do. I don't know how to do the emote on Sea of Thieves. Dude, you had it, though. Here, let me rub it out for you. It's all the way in the back. Did you fall in the sand?
yeah.
Ah. Oos! Oos! Kid didn't even try.
You gotta move the ball, man.
Nothing. I expect nothing less from Gavin, dude. I mean, seriously. Come on, Joe.
Before I because I don't want to upload like 3-minute.
Oh, that was a dime. Adam's having the time of his life out here, dude.
Tell him to bring out the whole ocean. Bring the yacht out.
Oh, a little too far. How you feel, Mr. J? Dude, that breeze feels so good with the water on your back. Dang! Clip it, clip it.
Where are you throwing to, Ricky? It won't me.
Well, me, brother. Ready, ready? Fastball, fastball, ready? Oh! Wow!
That's OBJ.
Now, Joe, you throw it to us. I'm gonna get in here.
This guy grabbing legs for it.
Oh, Gavin.
Joey, what are we doing? Throwing ducks out here.
Joey's got to warm up the cannon. He's got to warm up the cannon.
Freaking Baker Mayfield. Come on, man. Looking like Tua.
All right, bet. I'm gonna look at the Oh.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
That's how you get the fun.
Oh, that's
Still Gavin again. This is rigged.
This is great.
What's with me, Joey?
Oh, this is me.
Oh! There we go. They're all coming at the side.
Joey's got an arch. He got an angle, dude.
Got an arch. There you go.
Oh, Josh.
Oh, I can't catch. Oh, there is wind. That's it. Look, they're standing out there. There's a sandbar.
I'm not going there.
There's a sandbar there, Javante.
One way to figure out.
Look, everyone, there's multiple groups out there. We get there.
Bro, I'm not making that. We gotta go.
You're making it. Get on my back, bro.
There we go. Everyone take a passenger and let's get out of here.
Hey, Charity, I got you. Hold on to the shoulders. I'm just getting pulled in. This is easy. Swim on your back, Adam. Swim on your back.
On your back.
We're swimming the Sea of Thieves way. This is our crew. This is the crew, baby. Woo! This is us swimming back to the ship after a big loot plunder. This is just bonkers, dude.
Here we go.
This gotta be. Oh, here it is. Adam. We made it. Not you, but we made it. We're here. Yeah, hang on, should I get a clip inside the water? Should I put it under? Yeah. Hey, look, land home, man. Whoa! That's the
Imagine it
Kraken
just
water.
keeps coming towards us.
Whoa.
The darkness is
I'm out of here. Hey, imagine you see a little fin. Ready? Ready? Well, this is the life, y'all. We're here. We're here at the sandbar. Look at how far out we are. Technically not that far though.
Yeah, not really. I'm about to do some CFPs, you know. I don't think the current's that bad.
Hey! Hey, wait, let me hit it with the shovel skills. Hold it.
Wow.
Hey, let me hit him with the... What you got? Wait, get him under there. Hang on. Can you actually go under? Yeah, you can go under. I got him, dude. That's crazy.
I'd have many adventures, but this one is one of the greatest, if not the best.
I agree. All right, hang on. Put the grog up.
Put the frog up.
All right, boys. To a successful voyage.
There you go.
No! Whoa!
Sober up in the water.
Sober up. No drinking on this ship.
I was drinking on the buckets of water. How did you figure that out?
How you feel after that dinner?
Stuff, dude. I'm ready to hit that pool, dude.
I'm ready to.
I'm ready to get the sand off.
I'm ready to drive home and with some cool AC on me.
Here, let me see. Let me know in the comments which one y'all prefer.
One. We'll have the comments vote. 1 or 2? This is 2. 2. Let me get a little angle. All right, hang on. Go back to 1. Go back to 1. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is 1. Shoot, I don't know. I like this one, Adam.
Drop in the comments below. Give it a
Drop in the
like.
comments. Yeah.
Hit that subscribe button.
Amen, baby.